So first up, the big exclusive that we have lined up for you, because website Op India has published a detailed report that raises many questions for the Congress Party President Rahul Gandhi. Now this report, whose author Nupur Sharma will be joining us very soon right now, goes on to draw an indirect link between Rahul Gandhi and the arms dealer Sanjay Bhandari. Now, Nupur Sharma, who is the Op India editor, will explain to us as far as the land deals, the Vadra link, and also the Sanjay Bhandari angle. Also, we have this massive election controversy where our political editor, Aishwarya Kapoor, our legal editor also joining us, Ridham Anand Bhardwaj, and a senior news editor, Shravan Sen, and other guests also with us will be breaking down all the details of what exactly is the link and the land deal between Rahul Gandhi and H.L. Pahwa. So this is the Congress arm dealers web that is now coming out to expose the Congress party further, because what exactly and why exactly you have Rahul Gandhi time and again raising the Rafale issue. All right, so we have our guests also with us right now, and also our political editor, Aishwarya Kapoor. I believe, Aishwarya, I want to come up to you first up, because there is a reason and there is a pattern that we have been seeing on the press conferences that Rahul Gandhi seems to be doing and raping one issue. And that issue that he has been raking so far is Rafale and the money. Where did it go? Why is that happening?
Well, absolutely. But this is the biggest exclusive which you are getting. The link between the Congress National President Ridham, Rahul Gandhi, and then the arms dealer via a man called Pahwa. The papers are out for the first time, Ridham. You are getting these exclusive documents. Please tell us more.
So let's tell our viewers that, we've got several details about the link between Robert Vadra, Sanjay Bhandari, CC Thampi. We've been trying to probe that since the last 2 years. Republic Network was the first channel to get details about the Justice Dhingra report, viewers. In that, there were 3 names. There was Robert Vadra, Priyanka Gandhi, CC Thampi's name. In a short while from now, we shall show you a close interaction with CC Thampi. We shall show you the man who's sitting in Shah Jahan, who's being also probed by the ED, who's close friends with Robert Vadra, is also being questioned on what is happening in his connection with Robert Vadra and the dealings that have taken place. Let's tell our viewers what Nupur had put forward yesterday is very crucial, because I'll go across to Nupur to just explain that bit of information. Nupur put forward a 2008 Rahul Gandhi land deal that took place with H.L. Pahwa, and she had stated that H.L. Pahwa that did bring forward some sort of a connection between Bhandari and Rahul Gandhi. Nupur, first up to you.
I think, Ridham, we will just try to connect back with Nupur in just few seconds. She's just dropped off, so we'll try to connect back to Nupur. But yes, these are exclusive details, which also a part of it came on Op India, of whose reporter you were just trying to connect. But these documents, Ridham, which you've also got, and which are over and above the Op India story, they connect the dots. The missing dots are being connected, Ridham. The missing dots are being connected, Ridham, yes, between Pahwa, Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, and we also have our colleague Shravan Sen. Shravan, there is also another angle. There is also a Eurofighter angle. There is also a Christian Michel angle into all of this. Shravan.
Well, Aishwarya, let me put this in perspective. The Eurofighter link is the new link that is essentially emerging after questioning of Christian Michel. Now, the fact here is that Eurofighter, what even the BJP has been alleging, that there has been perhaps an attempt made by the Congress to scuttle this entire deal because they wanted to push for the Eurofighter. Look at the documents that we have basically accessed right now. The Enforcement Directorate has made it absolutely clear that they are now looking for a German link. What is that German link? The German link is essentially the Eurofighter link. There's a strategy paper that has been accessed by the Enforcement Directorate, which only reflects the way Gyudo Hashke as well as Christian Michel, they were basically trying to target politicians, bureaucrats, and even Indian Air Force officials whom they could lobby with to bring a Eurofighter back on track. Because remember, Eurofighter was also trying to get that entire deal, but it was at a later stage when we were given to understand that Rafale actually was inching towards striking that deal, which is something that that the Eurofighter was trying to ensure that somehow they wanted to
Shravan.
be back in the race, and that's exactly where Christian Michel came into the picture.
Absolutely, Shivan. But then these details which are coming in, this excruciating evidence, Rhythm, it shows the direct link between the
Absolutely.
Congress
So
president.
let's tell our viewers, Aishwarya, what the link is. HL Pava is the land dealer who's ailing. We've been trying to get in touch with him. In 2008, he sells a property in Hasanpur. He sells the property to Rahul Gandhi. He sells a property to Robert Vadra. He also sends a property to Priyanka Gandhi. HL Pava, CC Thampi, Robert Vadra and Priyanka Gandhi find their name in the Justice Dhingra report. Very crucial also that HL Pava, who's ailing, has also been in touch with CC Thampi. Apparently, he's been funded by him. CC Thampi is the Dubai man, the Dubai friend of Robert Vadra. He's also being probed by the ED. When he's being probed, Republic Network has been trying to get in touch with him since 2017. The crucial link here is CC Thampi's Dubai company is called Skylight, and Robert Vadra's company in India is also called Skylight. The London property of Robert Vadra, that after installations and after Robert Vadra writes these fancy mails with cheers and everything to Sumit Chadda, who is the nephew of Sanjay Bhandari, in that email transaction after that, that is sold to CC Thampi. The link is clear.